Today we will be learning quick multiplication. I will be giving you certain tips for quick multiplication. Let us consider type 1. In type 1, we will be considering two-digit numbers. So when we multiply two-digit number, to get the unit place digit of the product, we will be carrying out vertical multiplication. To get the tens place, we will be carrying out cross multiplication, and to get the hundred place, again we will carry out vertical multiplication. Let us consider one example. If we are asked to multiply 52 by 34, what we are supposed to do? First, I told you we will be do vertical multiplication. That is 4 into 2 will give us 8. Then we carry out cross multiplication and we add those two. So 5 into 4 is 20 and 3 into 2 is 6. So 20 plus 6 give us 26. And what about the 2? The carry part we write on top. Next again we come to vertical multiplication and we have 5 into 3 15 plus the carryover 2 and we get 1768 as answer. Now, let us take one more example. Say 76, we need to multiply by 43. So, the first case, vertical multiplication, 6 into 3 is 18 and 1 is carried. Then cross multiply, 7 into 3 21 plus 4 into 6 24. That gives us 45 and we carry the 1, that is 46. So we write 6 and we carry 4. And finally again we vertically multiply 7 and 4, that is 28 plus 4 is 32. So we get 3268. The third example is 85 multiplied by 32. So vertically it gives us 10. So we put 0, carry the 1. Then 8 into 2 16 plus 3 into 5 15, that is 31 plus the carryover which gives us 32. So we write 2 and carry 3. Then 8 into 3 24 plus 3 gives us 27. So the answer is 2720. Now let us consider type 2, where we will be learning to multiply two 3-digit numbers. Now, for this, let us consider one example. Suppose we are to multiply 542 by 361. So in order to get the unit place digit of the product, we carry out vertical multiplication. So 2 into 1 will give us 2. To get the tens place digit in the product, we carry out cross multiplication between the tens place and the ones place of the question and add them up. So it is 4 plus 12, that is 16. We write 6 and carry 1. Now in order to get the 100th place digit in the product, we need to cross multiply between the 100 place and the unit place of the question and vertical multiplication of the tens place digit of the question. So we have 5 plus 6 plus 24, that is equal to 35. Carry 1, we have 36. So we write 6 and carry 3. Now in order to get the 1000 place digit, we carry out cross multiplication between 100 place and 10th place. So it gives us 30 plus 12, that is 42, plus 3, 45. So we write 5 and carry 4. And to get the final digit, we do vertical multiplication, which is 5 into 3, 15, plus 4 gives us 19. So answer is 195662. Let us take one more example, say 829136. So first vertical multiplication, so 9 into 6, 54, carry 5. Second step, cross multiplication, that is 2 into 6, 12, plus 9 into 3, 27, plus the carry 5, which gives us 44, and we carry 4. For the 100 place digit, we multiply 8 into 6 plus 1 into 9 plus 2 into 3, that gives us 63, plus 4, 67, and we carry 6. For the 1000 place digit, we cross multiply 8 and 3, that is 24, and 2 into 1 is 2, 26. Carry 6 will give us 32. And for final, it is vertical multiplication, 8 into 1, that is 8 plus 3 is 11. Let us quickly move to next example, 325471. So first case, 5 into 1 will be 5. In the second step, we cross multiply, that is 2 into 1, 2, plus 7 into 5, 35, which gives us 37, and we carry 3. Third step, we'll cross multiply 3 and 1, plus 4 into 5, plus 2 into 7. I hope by now all of you have got the answer of the third example, that is 153075. Let us move to type 3. In type 3, we will be learning how to multiply a 2-digit number with a 3-digit number. In this case, what we do is, we change the 2-digit number to a 3-digit number by putting a 0 in front of it. Suppose we have 26 and 341. So in order to change 26 to a 3-digit number, we are putting a 0 before 2. So now we follow the same process as we followed in case of 3-digit number. So 6 into 1 will give us 6, 2 into 1 plus 4 into 6 will give us 26. So we write 6 and carry 2. Next, what we do is, we multiply 0 into 1 plus 3 into 6 plus 2 into 4. So we are getting 0 plus 18 plus 8. That again comes to 26. Carry 2 is 28. So next we do 4 into 0 plus 3 into 2, 6 plus 2 is 8. So we are getting 8866.